everyone, and welcome. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, and I've got a lot to film real quick, so you're going to see this in a few videos. I just got home from work, and I got one really big box and one of my favorite boxes. But first, I'm going to film the Allure Beauty Box for December real quick, and then I will hop. So these are going to be I'm going to try to go through them really fast. So the Allure Beauty Box this month featured Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup, which I've never gotten to try, so that'll be fun. So this is what it looks like. And real quick, I'll go through the products and how much they are. So I got an Oscar Blondie dry shampoo, and it is 1.4 ounces, and this retails for $25. I don't use a whole lot of dry shampoos because my hair's a really dry texture, but I get them sometimes. The next item is Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. So this is by First Aid Beauty. I have tried First Aid Beauty before. This retails for $28. I'm not going to open it because I have 3 primers open right now, but I will tell you at some point what I thought of this when I do try it. The next item is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a clear brow gel. I don't do a whole lot with my eyebrows. I probably should look into that or try it. This is what it looks like. It's super cute, and it says it's clear, so it doesn't really smell like a whole lot of stuff. But this retails for $22. So I'm kind of stoked to try it out. The next item is also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a liquid lip in Bohemian. Now, I don't have any lipstick on, so I don't mind trying it on today. I got this box a few days ago, and I was going to film this, and I was like, I'll wait until another day. So that's what it looks like on. I am not the best at putting on lipstick. I don't wear it a whole lot. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. But yeah, nice color. It's really nice going on. And it retails for $20. So the last item that's in here, and I took a glance at this box earlier and I thought, holy crap, that's all it is. And I really had hoped that this was in there, and it was. It was underneath all of that. So this is a glow kit and it's called Moonchild. It's also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what it looks like. So some really pretty colors there. I can't wait to try a couple of them. I'm going to try a few of them on. I'll try the 2 purples, and I'll just put the blue ice and the pink heart. So there's purple horseshoe, then the blue moon. Those are really pretty. Blue ice. You could use these as eyeshadows as well. And pink heart. And then star is this one. And So the last one is Lucky Clover, and it looks like that. So really pigmented and pretty. I like them. I like them. So you can see how you just blend that all in. In the next video, everybody'd be like, oh, why is that so highlighted right there? But that's why. It's a really pretty palette. So this retails for $40. I only paid like $15 for the box. So I like this box. I'm really consider keeping it. I don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. I've already trimmed out a few of them, so that was the Allure box for December. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video, which probably will be in 5 minutes, but you probably won't see it in 5 minutes. So have a good day. Bye-bye.